right, check it out. We got some Cybertrucks officially. Hello. Whoa, look at this, the Foundation series. Nice. Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Good. Wow, look at this Cybertruck over here. We've got some food being served out the back.
Some candy?
That is nuts. Maybe, yeah.
Have some.
Shout out to the Tesla Maryland for setting this up. This is really cool. Wow, look at this. Are you serious? Look at this. Oh my gosh, I might actually grab a piece. That is so cool. They are setting up. Is this plugged in?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? See, this is how you do. This is the right way of using a Cybertruck. If you're gonna get one,
yeah,
this is the way to do it. This is so cool. Nice. Very cool. I'm just gonna, do you mind? I'm just gonna walk around it a little bit. Look at this. Hello. Wow. Very nice. Wow, it's another Cybertruck. All right, what's going on, man? This got JD in the building over here. President. All right. More Cybertrucks. Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh, check this out. Brand new Cybertruck right here. Hello. Wow, this one is, wow, look at this. Hello. Good. All right. Oh, we got a Roadster up here too. Are you shitting me? What? When did this get here? Whose is that? Wow, this looks nuts from up here. I am in shock how many people showed up. Shout out to the Tesla Maryland people for putting this together. And yeah, look at all, we're at an airport. Hello. This is nuts. We got a Roadster over here. What? Does that do a light show? I don't think so. No. No? Oh, okay. What? That's epic. This is yours? Wow. He's got a mini Roadster in the Roadster. Are you kidding me? Oh, and another mini Roadster in his hand. That is nuts. What? Oh my god, that is so cool. All right. That is awesome. Here we go. Oh, it was going. And the sun is setting now too. So we are getting ready to get the show going. Anyone know where? What are we doing? We're doing maybe the
something that's in the car, or are they gonna give us?
No, I think we're gonna do the Halloween one. But this is Halloween.
USB.
That's what they said. Yeah. So where is Simon? Oh, he's got the Cybertruck model too. All right. So a little behind the scenes here from Tesla Maryland. We have to do another video over here because this is nuts. Check this out. Live from the light show. Look how many cars we got. That is nuts. What? All right, it's charged up. Literally as far as you can see, there's cars. Nice hat, man. That is awesome. All right, nice jacket too, man. All right. Ooh, this is fun. I can't believe we're here, honestly. And I was thinking maybe 30 cars. I think 30 cars came to the wrap place. And I couldn't even believe that. And I'm just like, wow, this is nuts. How many people are here? Yeah, it was about an hour for me too. I came from Sterling.
80 miles.
Oh, okay.
Calvert County.
Oh, you know what? I'm going to Bowie from here.
Okay.
So I don't know how many miles that is, but it's pretty far. And normally I go from Northern Virginia to Bowie, and that's kind of usually a pretty drive too. But
we're about 40 miles south of
Oh, so you're in like the peninsula area of Maryland.
We are the Florida of Maryland.
So there's like an area I learned about called California, Maryland.
Yes, that's in the county below us.
My-
We actually go across the bridge.
Yeah, my girlfriend had to work there actually recently. She's like in pharmacy, so or else I would have never known there was a
Did she tell you
California.
there's a Hollywood also right down there?
You know what? She was telling me that as well.